Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Cubing. Today I will be reviewing the Chi MS Pyraminx, which is a magnetic Pyraminx, and this is my first Pyraminx. As you can see, I don't have a Pyraminx, so this is my first Pyraminx. So please subscribe for my channel and hit the notification bell for future updates. So this is the Chi MS Pyraminx MX. Okay, MS Pyraminx, which is magnetic. See, as you can see, it snaps in its place. Okay, and the magnets are a bit weak, I guess, because it doesn't snap in its place properly. I mean, it snaps in its place, but not that strong. Every piece has been magnetized in this, and the package was actually good. This came in a container which you can open like this, and the Pyraminx fit easily, and you can close it like this, and the pamphlet also came, like how to solve this Pyraminx, and everything is in Chinese except the back. It's in English, but I think I don't want this, I guess, so let's keep this aside. And the first turnings were actually good. In my previous video I have done the first turnings as well, so you can watch that. Link will be given in the description down below, so please check it out. The turnings is actually good, and you can do sledgehammers easily without any trouble. And yeah, this is a good budget Pyraminx. You can buy this for around 500 to 600 in Cubelelo. Link will be in the description down below to buy this. And yeah, this is a budget Pyraminx, so you can't get a magnetic Pyraminx for that range. This is actually a good. And let's scramble this, and I will try to solve this. So I don't know how to solve this yet. So let's give this. I think this doesn't scramble a lot, I guess. So I think this has been scrambled a lot. Let's give it a try. So I think these are the edge pieces, I guess, because they move all wherever we turn. So, and this doesn't have a centerpiece, that's the problem. So okay, so this will be the white yellow face, I guess. As there is no white, I am starting with yellow. And how to insert this? Okay, we can insert it like how we usually do, I guess. RUR prime. Hope that's right. Yeah, that's right. So here we have to, okay, this face is inward. Okay, solving this is quite easy, I guess. Yeah, and the first layer is done. Now the second layer, or the final layer, because this is no, you can't call this a layer. So I think I will bring the edges. Wait, what? This should swap like this, and this should swap like this, and the back one is correct. How to do that? Wait, what if I do this and insert it correctly in its place? Wait, that brought me to some other case. Oh god. What if I do this? Oh, the cube is scrambled. I mean, solved, not scrambled. Sorry. So yeah, this is Pyraminx review and solving the Pyraminx for the first time. And I don't know how did I solve the last year. I just keep on doing some RU R prime U prime and it got solved. I don't know how did that happen. Oh, I scrambled it again. No, yeah, it got solved again. So yeah, this is the review and trying to solve the Pyraminx with no help. And yeah, this is actually a good budget cube. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe for my channel and hit the notification bell for future updates. Thank you. This is Smart Cubing.